Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. This now breaking news. Emmanuel Agbogun they show us the fire where they burn behind Benden Brewery. Make I leave you now with Emmanuel. Make you hear how the fire take start.
Now the gas, now this one, I be the problem.
If I'm gonna be try pack the gas, come out. When I quick pack the gas, come pack all the human things, go keep for here. Pack and go keep for here. There's serious fire in Benden Brewery. Serious fire. You can see what's going on. Serious fire. I had just been called from the house. I was sleeping. I started asking what was smelling, what was this smoke all about in the area. You can see buildings are going up on flames. Buildings in Benden Brewery are going up on flames. Buildings in Benden Brewery are going up on flames. Benden Brewery on fire. On fire. And the worst part of it is that the police station is right behind this Benden Brewery. You can see some building blocks are really burning from behind. Please, I have also reached out to the PS Bobaoka local government. I've also been trying to call the SSG. They are not picking. I'm also trying to call Edo State Fire Service. They're giving me the award that they'll be here shortly. So please, we are begging. If this building burns, there are a whole lot of entrepreneurs that have kiosks, adjacent to this fence. Everywhere you can see people are quarreling because they're actually trying to cut away people's things from their shops. This is my locality. It's so painful. Benden Brewery is on fire, and the worst part of it is that the police station is right behind here. But our police don't have firefighting machines. This is not a criminal offense. So the firefighters, please, buildings are already going up in flames. Buildings are already going up in flames. Please, let Edo State government come to our rescue. Buildings are going up in flames. If you're watching what is going on, please.
Some people, I'm going to my brother number here. They call a person and wife pick up. Give your husband phone, he goes for me, you know they give people a call again.
That'll be your fault. Now you don't try your best. Benden Brewery is up in flames. So if you're watching my TV tonight, please ensure you call relevant authorities. Please ensure you call relevant authorities. Please. It hasn't gotten into the building, but please ensure you call relevant authorities. My goodness. Okay. We just pray fire service, they say they'll soon reach here. Boss, what did that guy do?
I'm a pretty white shop. They're calling me that's why when I put the white shop.
Namugu be been.
Not be Namugu. I see the rush they come. Not very rich here. Okay, I don't need to make a rich here. Now breaker. Not you lost. They're going to for outside of God. Not to go lost for this area. Oh God, not that shop. If you rob that place, if this guy, if this man rob that place, this fool has to say like oh Paul. No, don't be that. Okay, they ask me.
Benden Brewery is good. Yes, fire service said they're on their way, so we're just reporting. If you're watching live, please, PS Bobaoka, please. Bosco, don't fight anybody. Good way you don't do no alarm custom with you and person. Please, Benden Brewery is up on fire. Bende Brewery is up on fire. You know, everywhere here appears to be very bushy. So what you are seeing, if you look very well, you see charcoals everywhere here. You can see even people are even quarreling because of the fire. It's so unfortunate. This is not a near transformer. My God, this is not a near transformer. Somebody there inside this Bende Brewery. I see touchlight too. Alpha say shake the roof, come out. Shake the roof, come out.
And fall, you no go enter.
Shake the roof, come out. The fire no go fall come this side. Shake the roof, come out.
The road, you no go enter. Investment. How much there for inside?
Small. Pull am back. Nobody did the under. Pull am back. Yes, now one after the other now. Roads are very free. Fire service is supposed to take more than 1 hour, so 30 minutes to reach here. Come, who there inside? Security. Somebody there inside here, they put light. Hello, who there inside here? Security. Come, no damage is sick, just cut a hair. He don't fall back. Security, come. Bosco. Bros, help me hold this here. I want spy. Help me hold this camera. I want spy. Somebody the whole touchlight, the flash for inside here.
Can I do it? Sure, why? Do you think there's someone inside there, right? So you want to see what's happening there? Call security from there. Inside, take.
Just catch the run, sir.
Catch them.
Oga, one go on fire like this now. One go on fire like this. See them, they even try to pour water, make the fire no enter the building. Oga, one go burn fire like this. Oga, one go on fire like this. What kind of wickedness be this one? One go on fire like this. Bosco, hey! Mona, bring bucket of water. Bring bucket of water, make they pour for the back of this fence. Fire don't enter this building. Bosco, one bucket of water, make they pour for this fence. Security tomorrow, we'll come ask una which kind of woman be una be. Una go on fire go dey burn, una go sit inside una office. You dey off the fire for there, abi? Tomorrow morning we'll meet una for inside here, Mona, no worry. Una dey come dey spoil people business. They put people business for trouble. Mona, no worry. Tomorrow morning we'll meet una inside here. Una dey stop the fire, man, no bomb building, but una dey do am make dey bomb people shop, abi? You are a madman, security. You are a mad somebody. Look at the man. They look at him. They are trying to off the fire. What kind of rubbish is this one? How can people go and set fire and sit down? How can you go and set fire and sit down? Look at how you people are causing people here. How can you go and set fire and sit down? See them. Then they try to use bucket of water to off the fire. See them.
You want to enter this place?
See them. I see the man there. I know see him. They know what they are doing. Look at the man there. Look at him. They are protecting their building, but they are allowing people's shop that they rent to here to catch fire. Okay, tomorrow morning they will come meet to Naisa here. Una will chop maga. Mona, no worry.
See, do you know it's possible if they don't just say by fire, make them take over the loot they want to finish this place. They have this criminal.
There are more than 4 of them here off in the fire. More than 4. Okay, tomorrow morning, they give una money, Mona take clear inside Bende Brew. Una go dey set fire for dry season. Tomorrow morning we will see una. Una will not say youth dey this area. Tomorrow morning, Mona, no worry. At una dey light fire. Una will see tomorrow morning, Mona, no worry. The government will give una money, Mona take go clear bush. Una go dey light fire, dey bomb people property. Make tomorrow morning reach. Make money reach, una will help for this gate one. They say una dey here. After una dey loot all the property wey dey inside this place. Nonsense people. We dey wait for una for here. Mona, no worry. We dey wait for una. Then they offer for inside now. Then they go dey allow the fire dey bomb people property for outside there. Just imagine all these mad people. They give them money, make they go clear Bende Brew. They go dey light fire. Now fire that they clear. Monkeys. Oga, come. I tell them after they come. As you go for this area, fire the burn. You see, I say boys come and come to carry up the fire. If now na area una come out, if now na area una come out, you come. I be any of your team don lost. Any of your team don lost. Any of your team don lost. Then cross check when any of your team don lost. No dey make trouble here again. No dey make trouble here again. No dey make trouble again. Now police dey help here with the clear this thing dey go. Make fire no come.
I don't reach here. Make any fire don't reach here. Don't reach here.
All these security men in Bende Brew, we will need to know them because they cannot just be setting fire. This is like the 3rd time this thing is happening. Oga, see more you tell now tomorrow morning we'll know how una take dey inside here. Inside the Bende Brew tomorrow we'll know because now they do bad things for this area. It's the make the fire they burn, they go inside their property. May no come our area. May your burn they go there. They'll give them money, make they clear Bende Brew. They'll go they light fire. No, Bosco, burn the guy. Burn. Oga, the fire burn on this property now. You go say people.
Which fire? I go say you never know where that place. The guy who just nobody there yet. Now me if you go call that man, that will only.
Calm down. I know what I'm talking about.
No, wait till they talk to that.
No.
What do you make you?
That's why I just shout. I said my house coming. I tell each other. I said wait, I'm coming.
Well, you don't say so. No, but no.
Now police dey quench fire, no be police now. Security. Tomorrow morning, when we don't come out for una hey, they may come be say, tomorrow morning una come dey talk say no una on this fire, then una hear word. Because una sit down for inside there, una see fire, una no do anything. Fire start from small, they burn, come they burn people shop. Una no do anything. Una hey tomorrow morning. Una no worry. Yes, you can see what's happening now. Edo State Fire Service have just arrived. First in history, I'm seeing this in Edo State. First time in history. God bless you guys for coming. They don't show now, they offer a government property now. Very well, God bless this fire service team that just arrived. I want to know if it's Guinness or Edo State Fire Service, but I strongly believe this is Edo State government. Slow down, you know the sweat they happen. Hey, engineer. Evening. Over fire, they want all this.
What happened?
I just tell you, they don't go put fire, they want burn our estate, so they manage. Edo State Fire Service just arrived. You have seen it. Federal Fire Service. Federal Fire Service, you see them, they just arrived. And we've been doing a whole lot to call them. It didn't take them nearly 30 minutes to get here. I want to say a big thank you to them, even if they've not started doing anything. You know, this is Federal Fire Service, not Edo State. For all those talk bars that want to be shouting, many of them have been. You can see it in Nigeria, Edo State Fire Service, Federal Fire Service. You can see Federal Fire Service with federal plate number. This is not Edo State. God will bless all of you now.
What do I do?
Edo State Fire Service just arrived. What am I saying? Those the Federal Fire Service just arrived, so you can see them. Their presence here alone has really doused the situation. Calm down now, small, you know they see with your eye. AB Dallas down. Please, there's water here. Stop following this fire service hand. They came with water. They are trying to put their pipe to light it up. In fact, I've even been told that another fire service is on the other side of the road. I bet una first leave the bend every one. I feel off the way now transformer. Wow.
You watching the UK style.
If I want to wait on this side, because that fire go still come up again. Oh. All those security wey dey inside tomorrow morning, I will not say people dey this estate. Oga, see fire for you. You don't even dey reborn again. Oh. Madam, pack your thing, come out, I beg, though.
If not say fire will finish now before that
No, they try. We'll call them. I know it's 30 minutes now. You know, see me, I need the report waiting on the happen. As I called the man just tell me I know when say they'll be here soonest. They are moving now. And I look and say the motor na new motor. So we get hope. Our work in our life now, we need to report.
Abbas, they finish your guy.
Stanley, Abbas. I know I've heard the tenant say, be careful, but you need to hear. Officer. Come on, security. Tomorrow morning, we go hello. This fire won't on, so now hear word. Mona, no worry. Now, girl, say fire service come here this night. If not, waiting for you, I see. If people stop burning on our way, government will give them money. Mona go clear bush now. They use fire, they burn her. Nonsense set of people. These guys are doing. Hey, she from that thing, no? What? That is good. Well done, sir. No. Only these two houses ready for back. Now fire enter small. Only these two houses ready here. This one small part of one catch, then this other one. But some men dey inside there where they blast it, they pour water. Oga, now well done. God go bless you now.
Tomorrow morning,
The men of the fire service are really doing their very best. We're good now. I mean, fire service don't come.
Don't be go set fire by yourself.
All those security men, tomorrow morning they will hear. Just watch now. Our family should say they check them very well.
That guy get gas shop, no stay for this shit again. Me go carry up with the goose. Me and wife. Me go carry up with the goose.
Man.
See people live low, some people know the country, some people shop bond. Ha. How be this place they put the security did there? They don't say fire.
They give them money when they clear, they can't go to use fire. They will hear word from my house tomorrow morning. Make them not worry.
And they worry them.
Yes, yes, so you don't go come out now. Now after everything, no.
Okay,
Okay, so this is.
They swear there's no making out. They walk out. Ideo. Government property one boyfriend there. What are you saying?
So he did there when they make calls.
Oh, that's my engineer.
I just come and I'll take that.
They won't bomb every for a while. It's small fire. But fire service on the airport. Well done, sir. They are fine. Bosco, I want to go buy food for Bouvel.
Gas station.
Yes, sir.
Gas station don't go there.
You were supposed to take
I don't know the guy. See, I even get this gas station. I don't know the guy in there.
If you see the bomb for Abbo, you will.
as he explode, as he come, as he exploded, put a break.
This kind of country.
You will be say day where I dey burn their skin. Don't be say they burn your skin, they pass, burn your skin. People bleach once. Yes, people bleach. People die for long. Hey, tell me say gas station. You know, ask my man, see got some watching gas. Everybody the same area. I might leave and make your day.
I just to use
the way you are just going, you say, who go make the same they break it so? Who go see me they break it so? What I see some people. When you get gas station so near my house. People will get slippers. No man slippers. They break that shop.
CS, all these your boys where they put for that gate, they will ask the question tomorrow morning, no? Not be lie, oh. All of them, they ask the question because they give them money, make they clear here. They go they pull fire. After they say they don't clear and finish, they'll collect million put for pocket. Will they observe there? This is not the second time they do this thing. Second time they do this thing. They will say me they go clear and they will put fire. Yes, now. When the fire don't burn out, they run like say they don't know what they happen. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to go. I think the fire service is here and we also did our best. But thanks to the Federal Fire Service for their prompt response. I hail. Thanks to Fire Service for their prompt response. Yes, no, perfect.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.